Yes, are there any questions on this before we go to show how the fins are made? Any questions here? Okay, somebody says here, what is the difference between a sweep and extrude? So when you are sweeping along the path. At that path, you can see that path can curve and can, like you can see the way the sweep profile continues to be perpendicular to the path. So if the path turns, it also turns in the perpendicular. It always arranges itself that it's always perpendicular to the path. It starts by being perpendicular to the path and it remains perpendicular to the path throughout. But extrude, you just extrude straight. You don't turn and change any direction. So the sweep is for what it is good for is more versatile than extrude. But they are different things. When you want to extrude, you extrude. There are situations where you can use sweep, but that won't be the correct thing. So sweep and extrude are two different facilities. In the case of sweep, you must have a profile and then a path that is perpendicular to it. In the case of extrude, you have a profile and you are just drawing it out straight, as if you are extruding through a vise or through a small through an aperture. So everything is straight out in extrude, but in sweep, it goes along. You specify a path that the thing must follow. So in this particular case, an extrusion will not do. It is possible, but it's not even. I don't see how you can use an extrusion here. This is a situation where extrusion will not work. So that's the difference. There are situations where sweep only will work, and there are situations where both of them will work, but extrude may be more efficient. But in this particular case, extrude will not even work at all. Only sweep can work. Yeah. We have 15 minutes to go. What does the class want? Should we go on break now and then do the fins when we come back, or should we just go ahead and finish do the next video? What does the class want? Break or go on? Yeah, let's go on break. 5 o'clock, we'll be back, and then we're going to do the fins. Please, if you have questions, post the questions on the chat, and then I will take them before I play the next video. So please put your questions on the chat. Don't say I will have a question. That is just a terrible waste of time. Once you type anything you type on the chat, I read it. So just go straight and ask your question. Don't tell me you are asking a question.